Microsoft's Copilot is a conversational chat interface that lets you search for specific information and generate text and images, and even write code. It's important to note that Copilot is still changing and developing fast, with its components and design continuously evolving. Microsoft Copilot is a versatile tool that can be used in several places, like the desktop in Windows 11, inside Edge, or in Bing Search. It can answer questions and generate text and images, and even has unique options in some of its forms. The Copilot website, copilot.microsoft.com, is the only place where you can use plugins like OpenTable and Kayak. Support for plugins is coming to the Windows 11 sidebar. You can choose up to 3 plugins for your Copilot session. The Copilot sidebar in Windows allows you to change settings, such as switching to dark mode, setting the volume level, or turning on Do Not Disturb. You can also ask it to summarize text on your Windows desktop. The ability to open apps is expected soon, and new PCs will even come with a Copilot key on the keyboard. Copilot for Microsoft 365 is a new feature available with a paid subscription. It can be used directly in Microsoft 365 apps like Word, Excel, Outlook, PowerPoint, OneNote, and Teams. Businesses can even ground Copilot's responses with their own data, allowing you to ask Copilot about specific information in your documents, emails, or chats. Whatever your account has access to, it can return answers on. Copilot is free to use on the web, in Windows, in the Edge browser, and in the mobile Copilot apps. However, you need to pay for Copilot when you want to use it inside the Microsoft 365 apps, when you need to base your results on your own data, and when you want to use a faster model or get faster image generation. For those cases, you need a Copilot for Microsoft 365 subscription. Right now, Copilot is only available in certain regions and works only in, right now, Chinese, English, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Portuguese, and Spanish, but more on the way. Copilot relies on leading generative AI tools from OpenAI, namely ChatGPT-4 and DALL-E 3. It also uses the large web scraping database from Bing, Microsoft Natural Language Processing, text-to-speech, retrieval augmentation generation, and Azure Cloud Services. Copilot has some unique differences from other AI chatbots, such as voice input, image upload, choice of style, links to sources, choice of AI models, and free image generation. These features distinguish Copilot from the other AI services. Microsoft has documented its approach to responsible AI in Copilot, promoting accountability, transparency, fairness, reliability, safety, privacy, security, and inclusiveness. They conduct impact assessments, evaluations, and ongoing monitoring to identify and mitigate potential risks and harms. Microsoft has a Copilot copyright commitment policy for paying customers, while free users must review, adapt, and attribute generated content they use publicly. Work and school accounts are protected by commercial data protection. Copilot is a moving target in the field of AI technology. It's based on machine learning, recursive neural networks, large language models, and large image data sets. The latest version of ChatGPT uses 1 trillion parameters. It represents remarkable advances in AI, generating prose, poetry, images, lists, chart, itineraries, recipes, and answers to obscure questions. However, it takes longer to produce results than a web search, and its facts may not always be correct. It is a rapidly developing field, and Copilot may have already changed significantly since this story was published.